Zippos Sensation, a proven sire for today's modern performance horse. His sire, Zippo Pine Bar, is legendary, and his dam, Satin N Lace, excellent as well. Following her incredible halter career that included consecutive world championships as a yearling and 2-year-old, this spectacular mare won the honor roll in Western Pleasure as a 3-year-old. She is also an APHA champion, earning superiors in halter, Western Pleasure, and trail. Nearly 20 years after her show career ended, Satin N Lace is still the second leading Western Pleasure mare of all time. Right from the start, the young O'Vera stallion lived up to his impeccable pedigree in the show ring, earning a world championship his first time shown. He has continued this excellence for owners Lynn and Andrea Simons, exceeding all expectations as a sire. Topping his list of accolades, Zippos Sensation is currently APHA's Breeders' Trust #1 performance sire. Zippos Sensation is also the current American Paint Horse Association's leading sire of performance winners and point-earning performance horses, an honor roll champion sire and sire of multiple world and reserve world champions. His progeny has earned more points than any other APHA stallion. This striking 16-hand sorrel O'Vera stallion is known for not only his performance traits, but his outstanding color as well, which he passes on to his foals. Simon Show Horses has a solid reputation as breeders of world champion paint horses. Since their first world championship in 1979, the Simons family has continued the superior tradition that their operation is known for. They are extremely proud of Zippos Sensation and the success of his progeny. His babies have proven time and time again that he is truly an amazing sire. you're considering sires, consider one that is truly sensational. With color, conformation, size, and movement, turn to the sire that has it all. Zippos Sensation.